looking at me and towed around. Towed around by a sailfish. They don't get no better. Dude! Go, there you go. Come on, Jumps. God, that's sick. Heck yeah. Heck yeah, I got it on video. Yes, sir. Oh man, that made my day right there. Dude, that's made my week right there. Screw today. Wow. Dude, I'm not believing this.
We are now getting towed out again by Sailfish number 2. That's right, boys and girls, Sailfish number 2.
Yeah. Give us that head shake.
Hey, I'm probably going to need you to bring me them poles. You're going to have to paddle him off.